Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we celebrate all things hair. Today's video is a compilation of stylish Type 4 natural hairstyle tutorials. If you would like to follow any of the stylists featured in this video, all of their social medias will be credited below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it. Also, check out the stylists featured in this video. All of their socials will be credited below in the description box.